and we're gonna be with a bunch of little pelicans, or whatever they are. They're gonna join us. All right. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Oh, and I'm following some little 4-year-old boy who has no parents. I don't know where his parents are. Not bad. All right, we're back, people. We're gonna go on a little dock. A dock. We're gonna go on a dock, okay? Out into the middle of the water. This is unprecedented, unheard of. And we're gonna be with a bunch of little pelicans, or whatever they are. They're gonna join us. All right, okay. How cool is this, people? Wow. Living large. We're checking out this really cool path near some really cool birds. You guys see all those freaking birds right there? Did you see all those birds? Jesus. Anyway, checking out this path along the water. We're in San Diego somewhere. Tecolote Shores, Mission Bay Resort, Fiesta Island. That's where we are-ish. That area, I guess. I don't know. And we're riding. And I'm following some little 4-year-old boy who has no parents. I don't know where his parents are. Isn't that crazy? Like, where's this kid's parents? I don't know. Anyway, how cool is this? How beautiful is this? Gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. We got sand, we got surf, we got no clouds, we got beautiful skies, and we've got abandoned children everywhere. Abandoned children. It's really sad. Parents should keep their kids close. But not these parents. They're letting Billy and Sandy just go wander off all by themselves. Not smart. Anyhow, I am just going for a little ride. Just chillaxing, people. Chillax. What a word. If there's ever a word that I'm in favor of, it's chillaxing. Chillaxing and Snickers. Those are my two favorite words. This place is really cool. It's got all these little inlets where you can drive your car onto and park. You got people parking for the day, you got people camping, you know, pretty cool. And we are chillaxing. Again, if I had my Super 73, I'd be riding down by the sand because I know it can handle it. This thing, just not so much. Got dual sport tires, not a lot of knobbiness to them, and they're narrow, you know, they're like 1.5 inches, so there's just no way. It ain't gonna happen. But we are near the University of San Diego. So anyway, that's kind of where we are. Looking like this path goes over here. Again, as always, don't exactly know where these paths go. Just kind of taking it as I go. Look at this, guys. You gotta see this guy over here. Check this out. This surfer dude on a really cool surfing board. Something. You guys see that? Guy's up out of the water on like a little kite surfing thing, but it's no kite. Isn't that cool? Anyway, kind of windy today. Actually, but that's all right, because we're riding an electric bike, right, people? When you're e-biking it, it really doesn't matter. That's the beauty. It'd be cool to live here, though. I'll tell you that much. And I see in the distance, don't know if you can see that, an amusement park, which is probably closed, but I'm in an amusement park nonetheless. Now, can I go around this still? Yes, I can. How cool is that? See, people rent bikes here. I could just stand there, like let's say it's 20 bucks. I could just stand there and say you could rent mine for 15, you know? And I could make money. It's another thing you can do with your e-bike. You can make money. Wow, look at that guy, man. Super, what is it? Super 73. That guy's rocking the, we got a lot of kite surfers out here, man. This is pretty cool. I would just think you'd rather be at like the beach where there's some waves, you know, like here it's just flat, you know? But, whatever, they're having fun. Whoa, damn. That guy just fell hard right there. Oh boy. That kite surfer, the guy just took off. Oh, his kite fell. I don't even know where the hell he is. Oh, there he is. Yeah, I don't even, oh, he's in the water. Yeah, he's in the water. Loud slam. Oh boy. I think I might have to get me a kite surfing thing. That looks really freaking cool. I like kites. I like effort-free movement. I can skateboard. Shouldn't that help me? Yeah, probably. So yeah, I might do that. I don't know if that girl really knows how to use a kayak, but she's not quite doing it right. I don't think that's how you do it. I have a kayak too, and that's not how you do it. A lot of people out today, people. Nice day in San Diego. Feels that way because I'm getting to the end of the lake and I gotta believe there's another way around the other side. So that's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's still going. Still doing it. Loving me some paths. Not to be confused with trails, which are dirt, of course. Love me some trails too, but we're not doing that today. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night, so I keep yawning. So if you hear periodic breaks in my words, it's because I'm like yawning. Did you guys just see me berm that thing? That was pretty cool, that berm. We're going around. I don't know if there's really even a bike lane here, but we're gonna do it anyway. There's gotta be some sort of bike lane. Maybe, oh, wait a minute. I think the path goes over there. That's the problem. I think I missed the path. Yeah, we gotta make a U-ey, people. We're U-ing it. We gotta U-ey it. And then we'll find the rest of the path. Whoa, we're sanding it. Oh, God. Anyhow, we're trailing it. We're back to trailing it. as it used to. So I gotta probably make my way back. Kind of sucks. I was expecting to have a little more life. But I do have legs, and I guess I could pedal. There's always that option. You know. That guy's ripping up the freaking water with that jet ski. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna try to do a little off-roading. And we're gonna see if we can pedal it. I know it's archaic. Us e-bikers don't like to pedal much, but I think I'm gonna have to do that a little bit. Pedal power. Granted, I'm still using the pedal assist a little bit. I'm on pedal assist 1. Just because this bike is so big and heavy and clunky and Jesus. Alright. Some more off-roading. This is like tightly packed sand, so I'm actually going over it no problem. Yeah, this thing doesn't do well in like loose sand. But this isn't bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Whoa, I'm dying. I'm dying, people. Oh shit. Yeah, see, I got into myself into some really loose sand here. And it's just not happening. So gotta push my way out of this. Of course, there's a cool single track over here. Let's see if I can rock that. Let's see if I can do it. See if I can rock this. Don't know. I'm hopeful. This is cool. A single track for you. Yeah, see, now we're back to the, whoa, the sand. This thing does not like the freaking sand. It's like death, you know? Oh boy. We're going in no man's land, people. I don't think any human's ever been back here. Ever. We are 100% off the grid. Oh God. Yeah. We're as off the grid as it gets, people. Whoa. Jesus Christ. Oh. I think we're gonna have to walk it a little bit. Yeah. We're gonna have to walk it a little bit. This is reminiscent of cactus territory. Last thing I want is freaking cactus. Maybe I can ride out over here. Let's see. Alright. We're gonna try to ride out. Again, not very aggressive. Dirt tires. Not at all, so don't have a lot of tread I'm working with here. Huh. Come on now. Let me out. Let me go. All right. Did it. We're out. Whew. That was a little something. So I think I'm gonna get me a jet ski also. And a kite surfing kit. What else? All kinds of stuff. All right. So we're making our way back to the car because my battery's dying. Pristine looking, you know. God, I wish I had my Super 73 to ride along the beach, along the water. That would cap this trip off, you know. But don't have it, so ain't happening. Go. Look at this, people. We're loose sanding it. Well, not loose, but loose enough, I guess. We're doing it though. Making it happen. Wow. Impressive. Wow. Oh God, I almost lost it. Just to say, it said wow.